Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Well, it's about that time for our spring tablescape. First, we're going to start off with making the plates. Yes, I did DIY these. These are some refurbished plates that I made last spring actually, and you see me here just touching them up to make sure that the glitter and the paper is all on there, kind of like a Mod Podge project I did here. Just sprinkling some glitter here, making sure that all of the area is covered. After doing that, I'm going to let it dry for a while, and then I'm going to place another coat of Mod Podge on top of that. Now here, I am refurbishing the napkin ring holders, which are little nests I've made out of those little cupcake wrappers. So here you see me just putting more of the twine and all of the little twigs and leaves around the nest to make it more nesty, to look more like a nest. I'm also gluing the table rings on there as well, the napkin ring holders on the bottom, just some old ones that I had from a previous project. Very cute. I'm loving how it came out. The last thing I will do to the eggs is to add some spray glue around the edges so that all of the stuff you see falling off now will not be doing that when I actually I've made 6 in total. Now here's where I start. I had these candle holders, and I've had them for quite a couple of years. I actually almost donated them to Savers because I was not utilizing them. But I decided to go ahead and do this cascading teapot project, and thought this would be a perfect time to utilize that piece. Here you see me just wrapping the twine around, getting all the foliage where I want it, placing it. Not yet anchoring it down, but just putting it in place. This went on for quite some time actually, about an hour, messing with all of the different leaves and flowers and kind of placing them where I think I might want them to go. And then later on you will see that I actually went ahead and hot glued everything into place. Now I will say this, I tried to go about this project as a whole with being really mindful of how much money I was spending. I bought a lot of the greenery from Hobby Lobby as well as the dollar store. The purple ones I bought from the dollar store. And then there were some that I already had on hand previously from other projects. So I wanted to let this be a really cost-efficient project. So I focused mostly on getting the leaves.
Since the sun is up now, I'm still working on this. As you can see, it's coming along. I did make it taller, as you can see here, with the wood blocks, old school wood blocks that my kids used to play with. My older kid, young adult, let me correct that. So I've got the teapot up there, as you can see, and we've got some flowers coming out of there down into a teacup. I have not mounted the teacup as of yet. That will be done soon. It's kind of hard to see where it starts and ends because of the table, but this is the arrangement in the front. Excuse my little kitchen, it's looking crazy from all of this going on here. So so this is our progress, you guys. We're doing a good job, aren't we? Aren't we doing good? So I've got to finish adding in some more flowers over here on the side. Put your toothbrush back in the drawer. I gotta finish adding flowers. This one will be going here, going out that way, but against that brick there. And then I'll cover the brick with more greenage, more stuff like that. So you won't be able to see any of the brick once I'm done, and you will just see the flowers. So let me walk you around so you can see all of it. Sit down, sweetheart. Here's the other side of it. As you can see, same thing, I'm building up this side as well. And it's coming along. It's coming along. I'm really happy that I made it taller. It's gonna be a really big centerpiece. But it's nice that I can move it if need be, right? So my little glue gun. I needed better glue gun. Oh, y'all, I burnt myself so bad. I'm gonna show you guys because I want you guys who are not familiar with working with glue. I did a no-no. I was watching TV, not paying attention, and went to touch it and burnt all the skin off of my hand. And I mean all of it. It's down to the white meat. Be careful. I always say it, and people are kind of like, golly, she says it all the time. Yeah, because it's no joke. And if you get that glue somewhere that's in a sensitive area, you know how we crafters like to go in the middle of the night to the craft room with hardly no clothes on. Okay, better put a towel in your lap or something. You can't be in there with your legs exposed and that stuff drip. Oh my God, I know, because I'm speaking from experience. It is not fun, okay? It's not fun. So, anywho, that's that. See if I can focus it. Focus. Focus, camera. Y'all, this camera here. I'm not doing no spaghetti. So this is it front on. Of course, I wouldn't have it front on. It would be kind of cat-a-cornered to the side, kind of like at this angle here, so that you can see all the detail and depth to it. So we're gonna keep working on this. Let me get this little mama some cereal before she cut me, you know. Here we are, you guys. The finished product. Here, see how that looks there. This was a fun project, I'll say that. I did enjoy making it. It was nice and full of, it's immensely time consuming. You see that little teacup there. Okay, the spout from the tea. I might put some more. I'm not sure. Let's check out the other side. The other side. All right. The lighting here is just not the greatest today because it is so gloomy outside. It's a gloomy day, you guys. But thank God we are still here, right? So that's this on this side. Here I have it, you know, it looks like it's pouring out of the spout there and then coming down into the cup. So that was what I was trying to convey. And I just placed one of my little rabbits here because she's cute and glittery. As you can see all that glitter on her. I got her, I think, from either Tuesday morning or Pier 1 of the two. I can't remember. One of them. So that's her. And that's the whole deal there. And I've got to actually do the table. So I want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out this channel. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and become a part of the Wrapped in Scraps family. We're going to be doing a lot more things here in the future. I'm just getting started, you guys. Tour, and many more videos that you can check out on this channel. I want to thank you all for being here with me today. Thank you for being such positive people. Remember to stay creative and confident, and never let your creativity be contained. Bye, guys.